Have you ever made a delicious meal for your family, but then afterwards, when you're trying to clean the dishes, there's just grease and stuck on burnt pieces to the pans, and it just doesn't want to get cleaned? This is the Astonish cookware and oven cleaner, specifically designed to get rid of those tough stains, burnt on, stuff, caked on stuff, and for anything in the kitchen or in your home that has just like, you've tried to clean it and it just has not worked. So I had several pans in the kitchen, a Dutch oven pan that, we cooked some soup in it. I think it got just a little bit too hot, and then some of those ingredients burnt on the bottom of the pan, and we tried soaking it in water, we tried other cleaners, we tried soap. It just was not working. So the Astonish cookware and oven cleaner is what we ordered in order to help us take care of that. So let's see if this actually works well for cleaning up different things. It is vegan, no non-corrosive, no harsh chemicals, anything like that. It's a very simple cleaner, but also very effective at the same time. In terms of using this, you want to make sure you're using a clean sponge, a scouring pad, or a soft cloth with clean warm water. Scoop a small quantity of this product and apply it to the surface that you're trying to clean, and then rub in a circular motion. Rinse with clean water or wipe with a clean cloth to remove residue. This product can be abrasive, so do not use it on plastics, non-stick coatings, or polished metal surfaces that you're worried about getting scraped up. It's not, we'll see how abrasive it is, but you just want to be careful on your extra sensitive surfaces. It can be slightly abrasive in that regard. So expiration date is set out for 2029, which is pretty far out, which is great. And one thing I love about this is there's no need to use gloves with the Astonish either. One really cool thing is that this has won the Queen's Award for Enterprise International Trade for 2022. So a very well-known and powerful cleaner from Astonish. Another thing I love is that this is a cruelty-free product. It does also smell really good. Even when the container is closed, I smell lemons, but as soon as I open the container, it definitely has a strong lemon smell, which is really, really nice. When I'm cleaning, that's my preferred, kind of, if it's gonna have any sort of odor, I want it to be like a lemon scent. It smells really nice and fresh.